Hey YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and today we're going to be unboxing the latest Nike SB Supreme collab. Shall we go and watch it? Hey YouTube, Mr. B from Pint of Stuff, and we're back with you with yet another unboxing. If you're new to these parts and you want to know what we do, we tend to do sneaker unboxing. We stream on Sundays. Occasionally we do the cinematic on foot things, but you've hopefully come here for the latest unboxing that we've got. The first thing I'm going to say, boxes from Nike are new. Look, pull for freshness. Hopefully everybody, we won't need to use the thing. So shall we do it? SJ, we're going to do this. You ready? In one. Apparently, I helped plant a tree. We take our commitment to the environment seriously, which is why we, in partnership with WeForest, we continuously plant trees to completely offset the carbon emissions we generate through the product delivery. Because generally, probably based on the number of shoes I buy, that's a lot of trucks. Let's do this. Didn't need a knife. Paperwork, even opened it the right way round. First things I'm gonna say, the box looks small. Right, we've got a Nike SB. Now, is it Gato? Is it Gato? Is it Gato? I think it's Gato. Quick strike, these are a US 11.5, that makes them a UK 10.5. And the colorway, Light Armory Blue and White. If we're interested in the code, everybody, are we interested in the code? It's AR9821400. So Nike SB box, no hints, no hints. Oh, hello, hello. Wow, they're light. So the first thing I'm going to say is they are super light. Super, super light. Let's get rid of the box. So these are clearly, it's the Gato. Originally a soccer shoe or a football shoe. So first of all, I've got to have a little dig at Nike. I have got the red pair. Sat, ordered. I think I've paid for them. I need to check. And Nike haven't delivered yet. These sold out on the Supreme website, but they dropped them back in the sneakers app, and they sat for about half an hour. 30 minutes, SJ, 30 minutes. I managed to get the blue and the red. I really wanted to see the red, because the red I think are my favorite. SJ, I need you to do your thing. I need you to get close. Come on, get close. Are you zoomed in? You're zoomed in. First of all, it's a low profile shoe, so we're going to just spin that round there. Clearly more of an indoor soccer shoe, certainly in the stylings. But if we have a look, first of all, this leather on the toe box, can you see this? And like, that's actually quite soft. It's really soft. There is a little tick here, it's a tick there. There's obviously the perforations in the toe box there. If we flip onto the side, this sole on the midsole, it's a really thin midsole actually. I think these, if you do skate in them, I think you'll get a lot of board feel with these just because they're really, really thin on the soles. Fabric on these panels here, a blue with a darker black in the background. Big swoosh here. What's interesting about this is, whereas the edge of the swoosh is actually painted blue as well, so it's not like it's layered on top of another piece of leather, it's painted on the edge. We come to the heel. On one side we've got World, on the other side, and you're not going to be surprised, Famous. So we've spun that round. On the insoles here, you know, that's actually, if you look at that gum sole, that way, look at the gum sole. You've actually got quite an instep there, whereas not a lot of the SBs that I have, they're quite flat. There's no definition on the instep. We're going there. We're gonna just dig in the front, get rid of the cardboard. Not often that you see a shoe tree in an SB. Isn't that right, SJ? Don't often see that. And it's just a Nike one though. It's not a specific SB. I'm gonna come down, and I'm just gonna check that, are the insoles glued in? Hey, dog. Sorry, everybody. Put the old sort of half shoe tree in the shoe, and the dog decides that he wants it. Coming back to that, the insoles, I'm not going to take them out. I'm going to see if you can see. On that one, camera 2, let's see, hopefully you're in focus. We should probably run this camera on autofocus. Yep, so we've got Supreme on the inside. On that side, we've got a second pair of laces. They're white with, actually, let's have a look at these because, you can see it better on there. On the lace caps, can you see that? It says Supreme. You can actually see it much better on the Nike SB lace bag. On the white laces, they're very much saying Supreme on the cap. On this shoe, you've got the other half of, let's see if this is gonna work. Yeah, you can bake, right, we're gonna do this. Bear with me everyone, bear with me. All right, you can see that there. Have I got it the wrong way around, SJ? This way. Does that work? That works. There you go, Supreme. Okay, so now we go back onto the front tongue here, onto the tongue tab, just so you can see everybody. And as we've not been giving camera one some love, have a look at that camera one. You can see the Supreme there, obviously famous on the back there. Supreme tag here, as I think I called out before. Other SB Supreme collabs recently. A nice hang tag as well, like SB Supreme there. So not a lot to say on these shoes. They're super lightweight though. I quite like this sole. Oh, apparently they're non-marking. It says it in Japanese as well. I quite like this pattern. I've not seen this on SBs before. I don't know what kind of sole this is. It says cushion. I don't know. I think that's just a basic foam. There's not gonna be an air unit in there or anything. I don't think there's any zoom in there. If the red had turned up, SJ, do you think the red would have been stronger? She's not sure. She's pulling her face behind the camera. Camera one. SJ's got this like, she doesn't know face, kind of like, not sure. We've got, whereas the main toe box is like this soft, really soft leather, we've got a slightly different leather here. Oh, I don't know what you call that, on the toe guard. And it's slightly etched, I think, to give it a bit more protection. Everyone, that was a quick run through. I know we've not been around for a while. We're sort of dropping sporadically. We're going to try and do a bunch of on feet for you soon as well. Yeah, so if you like this video, give us the old thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed by now and you've made it this far in the video, thank you. And subscribing would be amazing. It's somewhere down there. Don't forget, everybody, don't forget to hit the old notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you later, people. Bye.